Good morning, dear children. In the previous video, we have solved some exercise problem, that is exercise 1.2. Today we will continue the exercise 1.3. That is exercise 1.3. So, ಕೆಲವು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿಗಳು ಬರ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಡಿಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಸಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ 1.3. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೇಮ್ find each of the following products find each of the following products. First one, 3 into minus 1, 3 into minus 1. Before we entering into this exercise, first let us know one concept here. So what is that concept? If I multiply minus 1 with minus 1 with minus 1, we already know the rule of the multiplication of symbols, right? So that is minus into minus is plus, minus into plus is minus, plus into minus is minus, plus into plus is plus. Where we know minus into minus is plus, minus into plus is minus, plus into minus is minus, plus into plus is plus. Other than that we have some concepts here. So what is that concept? So minus 1 into minus 1 is minus into minus, we already know that is plus. So 1 we can write. So this 1 means it is a positive integer, right? So minus 1 multiplied by 3 times. Minus 1 multiplied by 3 times. See, minus into minus is plus. This plus into minus is minus. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 ones are again 1. So if minus is repeated 4 times, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 is minus into minus plus, plus into minus is minus, minus into minus is plus. Did you understand? So here one concept we have to realize, what is that? If minus repeats 2 times we get a positive sign. If minus repeat 4 times we get a positive. If minus repeat 6 times, that also will get a positive. That means what are these 2, 4, 6, 8, 10? These are all even numbers, right? If the minus repeats even number of times, then we will get a positive integer. If minus repeats odd number of times, if minus comes 1 times, so 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, these are all odd numbers, we already know. If minus repeat odd number of times, we will get a negative integer. If minus repeat even number of times, we get a positive integer. That means, see, minus 1 into 1, just we have to look after the minus number of times minus appears. Minus appears only 1 times here. So this 1 is an odd number of times minus repeat. Therefore we get a negative integer. Whatever the number I am talking about here, the sign. So 1 ones are 1. Clear? So minus 2 into 2 into minus 2. Clear? So minus repeat here 2 times. That 2 is an even number. If it is 2, then it is a positive value. we should not have positive value. It's understood. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Did you understand? If minus repeat even number of times, we get a positive integer. If minus repeat odd number of times, we get a negative integer. That thing you have to keep in your mind. Clear? Next. So let us come to this problem. So minus, what about the minus here? Sign this 3. Don't think of a positive value. Don't think of a positive value. In case of multiplication, I am discussing about multiplication, right? Products. In case of multiplication, how many minus are just to count? So only one minus we have. That one number of times means if the minus appears, odd number of times minus will come. Clear? If minus is 2 times, plus will come. If minus is 3 times, minus will come. Clear? So since minus is only repeated, minus comes only one time, it is an odd number. Minus is a minus to ಎಷ್ಟು ಸರಿ ಇದೆ? ಒಂದೇ ಸರಿ ಇರೋದು. So odd numbers ನಷ್ಟು minus. ಒಂದು ಸತಿ minus ಬಂದ್ರೆ, 3 ಸತಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ, 5 ಸತಿ, 7 ಸತಿ minus ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ minus ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Clear? Next, 3 ones are 3. So this is what our answer. Clear? Next, B1. Minus 1 into 225. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಗಮನಿಸೋಣ. ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸತಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ? ಒಂದೇ ಸತಿ ಬಂದಿರೋದು. ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 2 ಸತಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್, 3 ಸತಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್. ಮೈನಸ್ 1 225 is 225. Clear? Next, C. Minus 21 into 30. Minus 21 into 30. That is minus. We have here also we have minus. Clear? Minus 21 minus 30. So minus ಹೆಸರಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ 2. Even numbers plus 2. Even number of times minus ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Need not to write plus. Just we multiply 21 into 30. 21 into 30. Clear? 0 ones are 0, 0 twos are 0, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Clear? 6 3 0. 0 plus 0, 0 plus 3 3 6. 630. This 630 is a positive because of minus repeated 2 times here. Clear? Next, D1. Minus 316 into minus 1. Whatever the sign here, we have two number of times negative sign. Therefore, positive value will get. So 316 ones are 316. Next, minus 15 into 0 into minus 18. Illu kuda nodi minus 2 times bandidalva. So we will get a positive value, but you have to think about this 0. In between, if you have 0, the whole thing will become 0. 15 zeros are 0. Again 0 18s are 0. In between any number of times the integer is repeated. 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 7 into 6 into 0. Because of this 0, the entire value becomes 0. Clear? The entire value becomes 0. So the condition is in between all the numbers we should have a multiplication sign. So that is the main condition. In between all the numbers, if the multiplication sign is there, among all those numbers, if you have 1 0, then the whole thing will become a 0. Clear? 0 is a neither positive value nor a negative value. Next one. Yeah. It's very interesting, no? Minus 12 into minus 11 into 10. Here we have three negative integer. Sorry, two negative integer, one positive integer. Clear? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಯಾವುದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? 12 ಈ ತರನೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. -12 into 11, 12 into 11 ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. 11 into 10 ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? So -6 we have minus how many times? 2 times. Positive value will come. So 12. We can write -12 as it is. -12 as it is. If you multiply these two, minus will come because minus into plus is minus. Clear? 100 into 100. So 10 into 11 is 110. 110. Now we can multiply these two. Whatever the sign, positive sign will come because we have two minus here. So 12 into 110. 12 into 110. 0, 2s are 0, 0. That is 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1. Again 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1. 0, 2, 3, 1. 1320. This is the value of this product. Clear? Next one. G. 9 into -3 into -6. 9 into -3 into -6. See, if we do like this, 9 3s are 27, 27 6s are. It will take too much of time. Clear? So 9 we can write as it is. Since we have both are minus 2 times, we can leave that minus because minus into minus will become plus. 3 6s are 18. 18 9s are 162. Clear? So 9 3s are how kuda madbodu same answer barutte. It takes time only. So 9 we can write as it is. 6 3s are 18. 18 9s are 162. Next. -18 into -5 into -4 into -4. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ -18 ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೋಣ into -5 into -4 is 20. Minus into minus is plus. Sir, minus 3 times ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರೋದು because minus repeated 3 times. 3 is an odd number. Clear? So see, so this minus and minus will become plus. 5 4s are 20. 18 2s are 36. Here we have 0 we can write. So minus into plus is minus. Like this we have to find out the products of the given integers. So one more problem it can solve here. I -1 into -2 into -3 into 4. So minus ಎಷ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ? 1 2 3 ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. 1 2s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. This is our answer. Clear? Next. -3 into -6 into -2 into -1. So ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೇ ತರ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸರಿನಾ? ಇದೇ ತರ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 6s are 18, 2 1s are 2. Like that also we can do. So minus is repeated 4 times, plus will come. Clear? So 3 6s are 18, 18 2s are 36, 36 1s are 36. This is our answer. Clear? This is how we can find out the products of the given integer. Next, we will move to the second method. Second method. Verify the following. Verify the following. Verify the following. First one. 18 into 7 plus or minus 3 equals 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. This is a property, right? Which property is this? Distributive property. It is a distributive property of multiplication over addition. This is the distributive property of multiplication. This is multiplication over addition. Clear? So we have to verify this. Verify means we have to show the LHS part value is equal to RHS part value. Clear? So the LHS, what is our LHS? Left hand side. From equals to left side, what we have, that is LHS. Clear? So our LHS part is 18 into 7 plus or minus 3. Let us simplify this LHS part only. 18 into, in between bracket we have 7, you can write as it is, plus into minus is minus, since we have bracket here, that means it is a multiplication symbol, plus into minus is minus 3 we can write. Clear? So 18 into 7 minus 3 is 4. Clear? 7 minus 4 is 7 minus 3 is 4. 18 into 4 is 72. 18 4s are 72. LHS. Clear? So this in LHS we got 72. LHS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ 72 ಬಂದಿದೆ. ವೆರಿಫೈ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ RHS ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರಬೇಕು. Let us check. RHS 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. Clear? 18 into 7 plus of 18 into minus 3. So 18 into 7 is 126. So RHS part ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. This is our RHS part. We are simplifying the RHS part. 18 into 7 is 126 plus, we have to put the bracket because we have to simplify. After that we will remove bracket. So plus into minus is minus. Clear? 54. 18 into 3 is 54. So 126 plus into minus is minus 54. So we know already how to subtract this. 126 minus 54. Okay? So 6 minus 4 is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. 12 minus 5 is 7. Here we got 72. This, our LHS part is equal to RHS part. So therefore, this is a statement which is verified. So how we can come to know that it is verified or not? So our LHS value is matching to the RHS value. That means it is verified. So clear? This is how we can find out the LHS part and RHS part. So one more statement is here given. Second one, minus 21 into minus 4 plus or minus 6 equals minus 21 into minus 4 minus 4 plus of minus 21 into minus 6. Minus 6. Here also we have to verify this statement. This is also a distributive property of multiplication over addition. Distributive property of multiplication over addition. Clear? So our LHS part is minus 21 into minus 4 plus of minus 6. So minus 21 we can write as it is into, so minus 4 plus into minus is minus 6. So minus 21 into minus 4 minus 6, since they are same sign, we can add those two with the same sign. 4 plus 10 is 6 with minus sign. So these two are having a minus sign. In between what we have a multiplication symbol. That means it will get a positive integer. 21 tens are 210. Positive 210. So LHS we got 210. So what about RHS? Let us check. So minus 21. This is our RHS part. Minus 21 into minus 4 plus of minus 21 into minus 6. Clear? So we will simplify this. So minus into plus is minus into minus is plus, since we have 2 times the negative sign repeated, we get a positive integer. So 21 into 4 is 21. You know already how to multiply. 21 into 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 21 fours are 84 with a positive sign. So plus of minus into minus is again plus, it will become plus. 21 6 are 21 into 6, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 126. Now we can add these two. Need not to put the bracket because no negative sign is inside the bracket, right? So 6 plus 4 is 10. For 10 we will write 0, 1 will get carry. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. For 11 we will write 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. This 210 is equal to this 210. That means LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. That means this statement is verified. Clear? Next. We move to the third way. Third way. In that first one, for any integer a, what is minus 1 into a equal to. So this is the third way. In that first question is for any integer a ಅನ್ನೋದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು integer. Let a be any integer. It is a positive or negative. What is minus 1 into a? What is minus 1 into a? So minus 1 na a ಜೊತೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Clear? So minus is repeated only one time here. Minus will come. We already know. This is the multiplicative identity. 1 is the multiplicative identity, not minus 1. So minus we already written. This 1 is multiplicative identity. If you multiply a multiplicative identity with any integer, we get the same integer. That means 1 into a is a. Clear? Minus 1 into a is minus a. Next, second one. Determine the integer. Determine the integer whose product. Determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is first one. Minus 22. Determine the product. Determine the integer whose product is minus 1. Minus 1 ಜೊತೆ ಯಾವ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ minus 22 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. So minus 1 is one factor ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So minus 1, for example 2 ಜೊತೆ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು 3 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So that this 2 is minus 1. This number we have to find out. This 6 is minus 22. Minus 22 ಬರಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಜೊತೆ ಯಾವ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So minus 1 multiplied by dash integer will get minus 22. Minus 22. So we already know 1 is a multiplication multiplicative integer. 1 ಜೊತೆ 22 ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ 22 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 22. What about the sign? What about the sign? Sign is only for minus 1. If you put the minus for 22 also, then it will become plus 22. Question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ನನಗೆ minus 22 ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 1 ಜೊತೆ ಯಾವ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? minus 1 ಜೊತೆ 22 ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus 22. Did you understand? Next one, B. 37. 37. Minus 1 multiplied with the dash integer, you get 37. My 1 ಜೊತೆ 37 ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. See the sign. Minus 1 multiplied minus 1 time ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ? ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರಬಾರ್ದು. ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು we should get a positive 37, that is plus 37 ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. If you put minus for this also, for 37 also, we will get a positive value because minus into minus is plus. 137s are 37. Clear? This is how we can find out the integer with which we were multiplying with minus 1. Third one, 0. 0. So minus 1 multiplied to dash integer will get 0. We already know if you multiply any integer with 0, we will get 0. 5 into 0 is 0. Minus 5 into 0 is 0. Whatever the integer, if you multiply with 0, we will get the 0. That means if you multiply minus 1 with 0, then only we will get 0. No other than 0 this integer will come. Clear? Next. Well, dear students, up to here we have studied how to solve some exercise problems. In the next video, we will continue this exercise.